Hey, what are you working on?
Just ordering tables and chairs for next week's launch.
Ooh, were those in the project charter? I thought it was going to be standing room only.
Well, I heard the RSVPs aren't coming in like we thought, so I figured I'd fill in the space a little better.
Maybe, but we've got a budget to think about too. This is why you always need a project charter in project management. It's a short document that helps keep the project's priorities and budget front and center for everyone on the team. You see, project charters describe your project in its entirety. Your project charter will include the reasons for the project, the objectives and constraints of the project, how the project will be carried out, and who the stakeholders are. You'll also outline the benefits of the project, any risks you've identified, and a general overview of the budget. When you have a project charter, the whole team can refer back to it. Like, say, when you're about to make a change to how the project will be carried out before getting approval from any of the stakeholders. It's not hard to put a project charter together. You call a little meeting, make sure the coffee's hot, and get down to brass tacks. There are 4 simple steps to create your project charter. First, identify the project vision and outline the scope. Then, list all the essential roles for the project's organization, like customers, stakeholders, and your project team. Next, write your project plan with milestones, dependencies, and a timeline. And the last and most important part, list potential risks and problem areas, like the potential for low attendance that might require you to pivot and order tables and chairs. With a robust project charter in place, your entire team will have access to the same information, and you'll be able to avoid costly mistakes and delays.